Hey everybody, out here by the St. Joe River. I am between whistle lessons. The next lesson doesn't start for a bit. Wow, I don't know if you can see this, but the sunlight on the bridge, the Main Street Bridge over the St. Joseph River is particularly beautiful today. I had a student ask me for a video, so here we are. Nothing better to do. So I'm going to hold the camera between my knees. The cow that ate the blanket, very slowly was the request. I hope that's helpful. We'll try it. My God, it's beautiful out here. We'll try it at a little brisker pace. All right. Yeah. What a beautiful day. Happy spring.